Hello, entrepreneurs. I'm Klaus, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about storytelling. My story? Well, I'm divorced. I don't have an education. I don't have a stable job. And I'm roughly €1 million in personal debt. Pretty depressing, huh? That's one way of telling my story. Another is that I'm a coach at McKinsey. I have a decent equity stake in 2 amazing companies. And I just finished my latest book, number 30, a book on innovation. Now, both of these stories are true, but there's a hell of a difference between how they're presented and how they make me seem. I'm going to help you get your storytelling to be as strong as possible, because there's nowhere where storytelling matters more than when pitching investors. That also means that I'm going to show you not just this blank white wall, but this lovely garden at this house that I just moved into, because that's also a more interesting story. Looking forward to seeing you soon.